Okay, so we got our carb. This is what the carb looks like that came off of a 10-horse Briggs. It's an old upflow carb. Pretty big for a 10-horse, but it's for a 10-horse. So I have already put on the new jet. Well, that's the jet. The air screw. You can tell they're pretty newer. Put on the new one. The old is going in there. So I've already got them two on. And the next piece that has to come off is we have to unbolt the top of the carb and do the inside. We've got to put on our new needle valve and our pins and new diaphragm, gasket, and then a new, whatever the heck you call that thing. That's, I think, what makes it an upflow. And this part actually fell off. That's why it looks modified. We took some JB weld and a part of a can lid and put it on there. But here they gave us a new one with it, so just have it in case it falls off again. So that would go on there, but just have it in case I need it. So we're gonna bolt the top of the carb here, and then start putting our new needle valves in. Well, we got the carb all put together and bolted back on. Just bolted back on with all our new gaskets and rebuilt kit. This is what the old diaphragm looked like. Pretty bad shape. Well, it's all ate up because I had to pry it off. But I mean, it's pretty flappy. And it did come with a couple extra parts. Okay. Like this extra gasket here that I don't need. I don't take it. It must fit a different carb. So it's just an extra gasket laying around. And that's pretty much it. So we got her all done, and I'll show you it when we get ready to fire it up, but I gotta move stuff out of the way and stuff, so we'll show you in a minute. Okay, we got everything hooked up. We're ready to give her a try. We're gonna be pull starting it with a rope. Let me let the plow down. We're gonna be pull starting it with a rope because I gotta get a new push button. It won't work. So, got everything hooked up. Gas is on. It's not leaking. Got about half a tank in there now. Full choke, half throttle, ignition on. That's just your head and caution light. So let's give her a try. Ooh, you little. Kick back on me. Gotta get some gas going. Let it warm up. Shoot, it's already running better. Already. I didn't even have to adjust anything on the carburetor. I already had the air screw turned out a turn and a half, and I didn't even mess with that. Back running the normal. I'm gonna get some wheel weights for it. smoking because I mixed some 2-cycle oil in with the gas, and it's just cold anyway. There you go, a nice little burr. Well, I'm going to get ready to adjust the carb on it. See if I can get it to run without the choke on. So, we made an improvement.